Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Siyasat Education. Continuing our previous series, we'll start with the fifth question of the first exercise of coordinate geometry. First, we'll understand the question. It says that show that the points A 0, A, 0, B minus A, 0, C 0, A root 3 forms an equilateral triangle. So here what they're asking. They are asking us to prove that these three points when joined together forms an equilateral triangle. So what they have given points, they have given 3 points: A, small a, 0, B, minus a, 0, C, and C 0, a root 3. They are asking us to prove that these 3 points, if we join these 3 points, it forms an equilateral triangle. It's asking something like this. It's asking us to prove that if we join these 3 points, we are able to form an equilateral triangle. So first we need to understand what is an equilateral triangle. If I say that this triangle is an equilateral triangle, then I have to prove that AB, this distance, is equal to BC, this distance, is equal to CA, this distance. If I am able to prove that AB is equal to BC is equal to CA, then I can say that the figure which is formed after joining ABC is an equilateral triangle. So our main intention is to prove that the distance between A and B, distance between B and C, and distance between C and A should be equal. So let us see. First we will calculate the distance between A and B. So whenever we are calculating distance between 2 points, the formula remains same. There is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. When we are calculating distance between these 2 points, this one becomes x1, y1, this becomes x2, y2. x2 value is minus a, so the value of x2 is minus a. Formula minus, the value of x1 is a whole square, y2, the value of y2 is 0, minus y1, the value of y1 is 0 whole square, minus a, both signs are same, then we have to add it, so it is minus 2a whole square. 0 minus 0, obviously it is 0, so this can be written as 2 square 4, a square as this. I can write it as 2a whole square, square and root cancel, so the answer of AB is 2a. In the similar fashion, we will calculate the value of BC. When we calculate the distance between B and C, the formula remains same, but this time B will be x1, y1, C will be x2, y2. So if we substitute in this, the value of x2 is 0. Next x1, the value of x1 is a, formula minus, and this minus into minus, it will be plus. y2 value is a root 3 minus y1 is 0, a square, a root 3 whole square. This I can write it as root a square, this a square remains same. This I can write as a square into root 3 square. This can be written as a square plus a square, square and root cancel 3. This will be a square plus 3a square. This is nothing but root 4a square. This I can write it as under root of 2a whole square. Square and root cancel. I got the value of BC. The required to prove was this: AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. We just saw AB value as 2A, BC value is 2A. Now we need to find out the value of CA. Formula remains same: under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. But here CA, the value of C will be x1 comma y1, and the value of A will be x2 comma y2. So substituting the value of x1 x2 y1 y2 in this formula, x2 is A, x1 value is 0, y2, the value of y2 is 0, the value of y2 is 0, the value of y1 is A root 3, A square, A root 3 whole square. This can be written as A square plus 3A square. This is nothing but root 4A square. Root 4A square can be written as 2A whole square. Square and root cancel, we got the value of CA as 2A. So CA is equal to 2A. Since AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to 2A, therefore it is an equilateral triangle. Just we need to prove this, that AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. As we are able to prove that AB, BC, CA, all these three values is same, there is 2A. Thus we can prove that these 3 points, if joined together, we form a equilateral triangle.